Hello, I just received this Raphael Kit for Raspberry Pi from the educational engineering team. So grateful to them. Just received it of recent from the educational engineering team. You can see it. Raphael Kit for Raspberry Pi. So we are going to see the cool stuff that it has for us inside. You can see the list of components it has, the packing list. Well, I'm already anticipating, I'm already anxious of what I'm gonna see in this package. As it has a lot, it has a lot, so much. Okay, so let's unbox the components one by one. This is the breadboard power module. It is used to supply power to the breadboard. Now, when you're making a prototype of a circuit, before you do the final soldering and all that, you first test it on a breadboard. So this is used to supply power to the breadboard. It's a breadboard power module. It's very cool to work with, very cool and efficient. It has the 5 volts and the 3 volts pin as well. So this is the audio power amplifier, another cool gadget to work with. You can use this in series of projects. The audio power amplifier module. It's a very good one. You can see the pinouts. And we have the set of resistors of different values. We have the 100 ohms, we have the 100k, we have different values of resistors in this. We have the 10 ohms resistor, we have 220 ohms, we have 330 ohms, and we also have a color chart for the resistors. The color charts, yes, will help us know the value of the resistor from the color codes. So and yes, this is the breadboard for our connections, for our temporary connections. We're gonna be using the breadboard, and we know how the breadboard works. The positive side runs through horizontally together with the negative side, while the other side are just vertical connections. Yeah, that's the breadboard. Yo, and we have the keypad module just for inputting, because we know how this works. Just to input, you can interface it with your serial monitor or a security system. You input your passlock and it does a particular action. So this is a keypad module. Yeah, and these are the button caps for the push button switch. Yes, I'm going to get to that part later. So this is a button cap for the push button switch. Yes, and this package contains a lot. We have the 4-digit segment display. 4-digit segment display, very handy. We have the 7-segment display. We have the passive and active buzzers. We have the relay. We have the LED bar graph. That's the buzzers. Then we have the L293D chip, ADC0834 chip, and 74SC595 chip. These are ICs that are very, very useful too. And yeah, of course, this is the jumper wire. This is the female to female jumper wire. Yeah, female to female jumper wire. Okay, and we have the camera module. From the neck camera, of course, you know what this does. Captures images. Wow, I'm so grateful for educational engineering team for this package. It has a whole lot. It has a lot of components. I'm so grateful to them. So let's bring it out and take a little peek. Yeah, that's the camera. And this is the 9-volt battery cable. We connect it to the 9-volt battery, and we can either plug this to the Arduino board, or we can plug it to the breadboard power module. And this is the 9G7 motor. A good example of where 7 motor is used is the car wipe. 7 motor, it only goes 180 degrees and returns back to its starting position. So this is a 7 motor. This is a motion sensor. Motion sensor, from the name motion sensor, when it detects a motion, you can write a program. If you detect a motion, put on the buzzer or put on the lights. So that is it. And this is a dot matrix model. Dot matrix model. Let's see the front. Okay. These are the components we've unboxed so far, and we still have a lot more to go. We have more to unbox. And this is the speaker. I'm sure it looks very familiar. The speaker. We have the ground and the 5 volts pin out. This is the I2C LCD, a 16 by 2 LCD display. It has 16 columns and 2 rows. That's the I2C that is attached behind it. So that's the I2C. So LCD displays come without the I2C, but this one, it has everything together in one. And this is a T-shaped extension board. You can see GPIO extension board. That's a general purpose input output. General purpose input output extension board. Helps us to extend the pinouts from the Raspberry Pi. So this is a reed switch module. Reed switch module. The pinouts, the VCC, the ground, and the signal pin. Okay, and this is the 40-pin GPIO cable. This is connected to the T-shaped extension board I just showed you earlier, and then it's connected to the Raspberry Pi. It extends the pin out. In case you want to do more connections, attach more components, you can extend the pin out. What do we have here? Okay, these are LEDs of different colors. We have the red, the yellow, the blue, and the green. These are LEDs. And this is a DC motor. We have the DC motor. DC has direct current. There are some AC motors as well, but for now this is a DC motor. And we have the ultrasonic sensor, or the HCSR04 sensor. This is the ultrasonic sensor module, or a proximity sensor. It can be used to it senses objects in range, and you can use it to calculate the distance by writing a program to do so and know the distance it is from the object it is sensing. It has the echo and the trigger out pinout that looks like the eyes. This is the ultrasonic sensor, or HCSR04. And what do we have in this bag? What do we have? Okay, we have a potentiometer. That's the blue one you're looking at. The potentiometer. We have a button, the push button. We have capacitors of different values. We have a tilt switch. We have the micro switch and the slide switch too. We have diode, thyristors, photoresistors, and transistors as well. Wow, you have a whole lot in this small package. In this in this small nylon bag. It contains a lot. So we have another set of jumper wires. This has the male to female and the male to male jumper wires. That's the male end. That's the male end. I see a lot. It's much. This is the male to male jumper wire. Male to male. So a little demonstration of how the male to male and okay. You can see the female port and the male port. This is how it's being connected. That's how the connection goes. That's a little demonstration. And we have the audio cable. Audio cable. And we have the joystick module as well. I'm sure gamers will be familiar with this. The joystick module can be used to do some cool projects, some wonderful and cool projects. So and we have the touch sensor module. This particular can do wonderful projects where you touch it, the light in your home comes on, touch it goes off. And this is a speed sensor module. Very cool. You can do beautiful projects with this. And we have the obstacle avoidance module. So it senses obstacle and it relays the information to the microcontroller and a particular action is carried out. So the obstacle avoidance module, very handy when you want to build robots and all those projects. Very handy. So what do we have here? We have the DHT11 module. This is a temperature and humidity sensor. Use that to get the temperature readings of a particular location. A very good module as well, very handy. It looks small but it can do a lot of things. So this is a rotary encoder module. A lot of cool projects can be done with this too. Rotary encoder module. These are the components. You can see a lot. It has a lot of cool components you can work with. This is the RFID module, NFRC522 RFID module. It's just like a smart card system. The card and the tag, they have a serial number. So when you flash the card or the tag, you detect the serial number and you can write a program for it to do a particular action. So it's mostly seen in offices. There is staff uses his ID card as a pass lock to his office. He shows it and the door opens. So this is the technology behind it. Just a little secret I'm leaking. So I'm so grateful to educational engineering team for this kit. At least with this we can do a lot of cool projects, cool stuff, like a whole lot. And do so much more with this project. I'm so grateful to the educational engineering team for this Raphael Kit for the Raspberry Pi. Take a closer look at the components one more time. Just take a closer look at it. Okay, so that is it. That is it for the unboxing. I say a big thank you to educational engineering team. A big thank you. Very grateful for the package, for the gifts.